acid and base pair. So here we have to show the proton and the conjugate. So for a base, we're looking at the base. The base has a conjugate of acid. So we want to separate the base and the proton. To show the base and the proton, show the conjugate acid. So an acid is a, what do you call it? An acid is a proton donor. It giver of a proton, and the base is a proton acceptor. So we have pairs which show the what builds up a base. So let's take, for instance, we have OH as our base. This is a base, and then we have to pick a proton. A proton here, it's a hydrogen. Ion. So we have H2O is our conjugate acid. So this is a proton, then this is a conjugate conjugate. Conjugate acid. And then we have H3 plus a proton, and H3 plus a proton, it gives us this and then we have a base as and then adding a proton here, and we'll have something like this is a conjugate, and then we can have something like and then this is a conjugate base, conjugate acid, not base. So if you have a strong acid, its conjugate, which is base, is weak, and if you have a strong base, its conjugate, which is acid, is also weak. So this is how you draw them. You will separate the base from the proton to show a conjugate acid, or this is how a proton and a base add up to show a conjugate acid. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video.